Good day everyone, I'm JV Nebula, BSMT2B. I'm here to discuss about limits. But first, what is limits? Limits involving algebraic operations are often performed by replacing some expression by their limits. The resulting defined value is the limit the function desired. Limits are a set of fundamental rules in calculus that allow you to calculate the limits of complicated functions by breaking them down into simpler components. They are the algebraic foundation for calculating without resorting to tables of values or graphs. I give you four examples to solve limit. The first example is limit is equals to 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 x approaches of 2. Ang atong buhaton ani is ang 2 is atong isubstitute sa x. Okay. 3, ang x nato is 2 man times 2 squared plus 2 times 2 minus 1. Ato lang i-copy ang 3. 2 times 2 is equals to 4 plus 2 times 2, 4 minus 1. 3 times 4 is equals to 12 plus 4 minus 1, copy lang yapon nato. 12 plus 4 is equals to 16 minus 1. The answer natin is 15. Muna itong answer sa question number 1, 15. Muna itong kaduwa nga example. Limit absolute value of negative x plus 4 x approaches of 10. Pwede na ito siya direct substitution. Ang 10, ato na siya i-substitute sa negative x. Absolute value of negative 10 plus 4 absolute value of negative 10 plus 4 negative 10 plus 4 is negative 6. Ang atong answer is absolute value of negative 6. Pero bawal siya sa absolute value nga answer is negative 6. Ang atong final answer is positive 6. Muna itong example number 3. Limit is equals to 5x minus 4 x approaches of 1/5. Ato na siyang i-direct substitution. Atong pulian ang x sa 1/5. 5 times ang x mo na to is 1/5. Copy lang 1/5. Minus 4. Yes. Atong buhaton ani is i-times na ni 5 times 1 5. Copy na ito ang over. Minus 4. 5 over 5 is equals to 1. Minus 4. And the final answer is negative 3. This is our final answer. This is the last example. Limit is equals x squared minus 5x plus 6 over x minus 3 x approaches of 3. Dili na ito siya madirect substitution kay kung atong isubstitute ang 3 sa x, 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. Possibility na ma-defined. Ang atong button is factorable man ang x squared. Itong button is evaluating limits using factor. Copy na ito ang denominator. X minus 3. X squared, y ang x. Mangita tag factor nga makuan sa negative 5 ay sa 5 ug sa 6. Ang kuan niya is 2 times 3 ug 1 times 6. 2 times 3, 6. 1 times 6, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 minus 6, 5. Itong buhaton ani, kani atong pilion, kaya atong denominator is x minus 3. Kaya para makancel siya. 2 times 3. Ang atong sign is negative. Kay negative 2 times 3, negative 3, 6. Negative 2 plus negative 3, negative 5. Pwede na to siya makancel, kaya same man sila. Copy ang x minus 2. Pwede na siya ma-direct substitution. Ang x, pulihan na to sa 3. 3 minus 2 is equals to positive 1. This is my final answer of last example. This is the last example on how to evaluating limits. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.